Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today video about ТОБЕ Limited of which Hidaiki. Before this video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notification. ТОБЕ Limited of which Hidaiki Takizawa 41 as the representative director announced on the 40 that Taiga Shimada 11 Shoma Fujisuru 13 Hikaru Matsuzaki 11 Roki Kawada 12 and Yu Kusukigawa 11 5 people on the YouTube program ТОБЕ broadcast on December 24 last year. They were introduced by Hiromitsu Kitayama is a 5 edition student. Thanks for watching my video.